Hey guys, it's your girl Muka back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me hair and makeup. If you like this look, continue watching and I will make sure I list everything below. So I already have my eyes concealed with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the Smashbox Concealer. I also set my eyes already with the MERCIER Loose Powder. And I'm just going to brush off the powder from my eyelids. That way I can start applying my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take my Modern Renaissance palette, love this palette, and I'm gonna use the brush that it comes with. And the first color I'm gonna use is Burnt Orange. I'm gonna apply that into my crease line. Now I'm taking the color Real Guard, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm applying that in my crease as well, but just a little bit and then just blending it out. Now I'm taking my blending brush from e.l.f. and I'm just blending out those two colors together. Now I'm gonna take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna use this like magenta type purple shade. And I'm just gonna apply that to my crease using my Y22 brush from Morphe. Once I'm done, I'm just going to take my blending brush and just blend that all out. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and my Y21 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to apply the concealer on my eyelids like I'm doing a cut crease, but I'm really not. I just want to intensify the color that I'm going to use next. With my eyeshadow brush from e.l.f., I'm gonna take this violet purple color and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid where I put the concealer. So as I'm applying this purple color onto my lid, I'm really feeling like this is not coming out the way I wanted it to. I really wanted it to be like a darker purple. So I went into my makeup box and I had eyeshadow that I had bought a long time ago that I never used. And this purple was coming out exactly the way I wanted it to. It's very pigmented. It's from Kiss. It's called Gypsy. Once I'm done applying my eyeshadow to my top lids, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Y22 brush and I'm just gonna apply all the colors to my lower lid. And I'm just using this angle brush that I got from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just applying the e.l.f. cream eyeliner. And then after that, I go ahead and put my lashes. Well, I'm not really putting lashes on, but I use the Better Than Sex mascara to make my lashes look like it's fake lashes. And I apply it to both my top lashes and my bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna set my face with this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I love this stuff right here. I feel like it just makes my face look perfect. And I'm also gonna put my highlight on. It's from NYX also. It's called the Strobe Genius. And my favorite color is this one right here, this gold color in the middle. And I'm gonna just use this fan brush that I picked up from Elegant Beauty. If you're in Florida, then you know what Elegant Beauty is. But yeah, it's just a hair supply store over here in Florida. And I pretty much put it on my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. Now, onto hair, I'm gonna take my oil mix and I'm gonna rub it against my hands, and I'm gonna rub my hands all through my twist and pretty much pull out the bantu knots at the end. Then I'm gonna just unravel my twist and then separate it. gonna take my hair pick and just pretty much pick out my roots and fluff as I'm going. And then once I get to the way I like it, I'm gonna go ahead and just twist up one side, and I'm gonna pin it with 2 hairpins. Now I gotta stick my edges. You know I love my Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna go ahead and use this and just smooth it, slick it. Now onto lips, I'm using this lip liner from Ruby Kisses. I'm just gonna outline my lips and then semi-color it in. Then I'm gonna take my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Berlin and just put that all over my lips, like I would do regular lipstick. So after that, I just go in with my Tarte lip paint in the color Birthday Suit, and I only apply it to the center of my lips, and then I just pop my lips like this. Usually I prefer like mattes over gloss now, but today I was feeling glossy, so I was like, let me apply my butter gloss from NYX in the color Fortune Cookies, so it gave it this nice little glossy look, and my look is complete. Again, this is the completed look, and if you like this Get Ready With Me video and want to see more videos like this, or hair tutorials or makeup tutorials, let me know. Just like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, y'all.